Welcome to IELTS 678, your go-to place to improve your IELTS speaking skills. In this lesson, we will learn how to answer an IELTS Speaking Part 1 question from Band 6 to Band 8. Let's look at today's question. What do you like most about your hometown? For Band 6, keep your answer simple and clear. Give one main idea. Use everyday vocabulary. Then add one small reason. Here is a Band 6 answer. What I like most about my hometown is the people. They are really friendly and always ready to help. I also enjoy the quiet atmosphere because life there feels simple and relaxing. For Band 7, develop your idea more naturally. Add a better explanation. Use more precise vocabulary and connect your ideas smoothly. Here is a Band 7 answer. What I like most about my hometown is its warm and welcoming people. Everyone seems to know each other, which creates a strong sense of community. I also love the peaceful environment, so it is a great place to relax after a busy day. For Band 8, sound more fluent and expressive. Use richer vocabulary. Show a deeper feeling and compare your hometown with a bigger place if it helps. Here is a Band 8 answer. What I like most about my hometown is the strong sense of community. People are not only friendly and approachable, but they also genuinely care about one another. On top of that, the slower pace of life makes the town feel comfortable, relaxing, and much less stressful than a big city. When you practice, do not try to memorize difficult words only. Focus on clear ideas, natural linking, and a personal reason. Start simple, then expand your answer step by step. Keep practicing with IELTS 678, and I'll see you in the next lesson.